Hello, everybody. Want to just do a quick little real estate tip? Just go over with you for a couple minutes what amortization is, what interest is, when we see it, and kind of get you to better understand these concepts. So, what is amortization? To amortize a loan is basically to gradually pay off the loan in full over time with principal and interest. So when we look at something such as an amortization schedule, basically what they're doing is they're outlining for you based on a particular interest rate and a period of time what your monthly payments would be for each month over that period of time to fully pay that down and to amortize the loan. Now, there is also a concept such as negative amortization. Now, and not as common, not as popular an option in real estate. It's something that it is utilized. Let me give you an example of a time when you would see negative amortization and what negative amortization is. And I'm going to give you a very simple example. A lot of times you'll see, especially we have, I'm recording this right near Memorial Day. So usually you see retailers put out Memorial Day sales where they'll say zero interest for the first 6 months. Okay. And what happens is this that is basically deferring interest. So what happens is you could think of that as a full negative amortization loan if they're allowing you to pay off, let's say, a dishwasher or a large ticket item. So what happens is this the interest is deferred over a certain period of time, okay, where you can pay back the loan very quickly, okay? So in that window of time, you could pay it back in full and not pay any interest, right? However, if you wait longer or you allow it to go longer, what happens is you are going to start accruing interest. And that would be something, an example of a negatively amortized loan. However, again, I'm not going to go too much into it because that is not as common that you would find in real estate, but it is used. And again, full amortization is gradually paying off a loan in full. So when you see that amortization table, don't let it scare you. I'm also going to link at the end of this video the amortization table video that I've done so that you could get some help with that. Now let's go to this. What is interest? So interest, because we've spoken about that before. Principal is the loan amount, is what the loan balance is. So if you loan me $10, the principal is $10. If the interest that I have to pay on that is 2%, okay, then we have a 2% interest on top of that. So what happens is this interest is basically the rent for using someone else's money. So, hey, I'll take your $10. I want to use it for something. Okay, you don't have that money now. So in order for me to pay you back, I have to pay that back principal plus interest. So I have to give you 2% of that money so that you could be made whole. And so that basically you're getting something for lending me the money. There's an incentive somehow for you to lend me the money. That's basically what banks, everything. That's how they entice investors to invest money into this because they're basically saying, hey, you have that money just sitting there. Why not put it to use so that you could allow someone else to use it and allow them to pay you back with rent on top of that? And they call that interest. So guys, that's amortization. That's interest. Hope this helped you out. Have a great one.